Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a scatter plot in the Python visual in Power BI. So if you don't have your Power BI pointing to the Python installation, you can look at the first video in the playlist and use that to point your Power BI to the Python version. Otherwise this visual will not work. So all I'll do is let's start with the table first. So I'll click on the table and I want to see the sales amount and the cost. So I'll just click on sales amount. And then I'll also click on the product cost. So I'll select that. Essentially, I like to start with the table so I know what I've got and what I'm getting. So these are the values I'm looking at. And I'll just do a Control C and a Control V. And over here, I'll just convert into a Python visual. So I'll just click on the Python visual. So it's created a dataset. You can see that it's created a dataset pandas.dataframe, and it's using sales amount and product cost. So it's already available to us. And what we'll do is we'll just import the matplotlib library. And what I'll do is I'll just say dataset.plot. So the dataset already has sales amount and total product cost. So I'll say dataset dot and we'll just open it and we'll say the kind. So it's a scatter plot. So we'll just say kind is equal to scatter, and then we'll say x is equal to. So it's already showing us the values, and we'll say y is equal to total product. So total product cost, we'll select that. And we can also specify the color for our scatter plot. So we'll say color is equal to red, let's say. And now just to show, we say plt.show, and now if I hit enter, so let's just run the script. And you can see it's showing us something. But what it is essentially showing us is that it is summarized values. So if you look on the visual here, you will see that we've got the sum enabled. So we just need to click don't summarize for our sales amount. And we need to do the same for total product cost. And you can see, so I'll minimize this now. And you can see that the scatter plot is available to us. So I can change the color if I wanted, and I could put it to probably blue and run it again. So in this video, we've essentially learned how to create a scatter plot in the Python visual available with the Power BI service. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do let me know if you would like me to take any other specific topics. Cheers, bye.